Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to flip an image in Gimp. So first, you just have to import a picture here. And in order to rotate this one, the very first thing to do is to tap the picture and right click. Now you have to scroll down and look for the option it says image. Tap this one here. And then under image, you will see other options such as transform. Tap that one and then you have to scroll down and click rotate. So you have options here for rotate 90 and clockwise, counterclockwise, and you can also rotate it to 180. Aside from that, you can also go to the side right here. You will see here different options. But what I'm going to do is to simply look for or go directly to this option right here and tap this. And there you will see rotate option. So all you have to do is to click that one. And once you tap this, you can now change or simply click the photo and flip it to whatever position you want. Also, if you can't rotate it or if you want to rotate the picture specifically, you can go to the side right here and then tap this arrow till you find the right position for your picture. And that's how easy it is to flip an image in GIMP. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.